Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today you are going to learn that how you can make any of the picture in the computer into PDF without any browser. If you like this video, then please subscribe and like my channel. Let's start our video without wasting any time. The first step of making a picture into PDF is to open Microsoft Word. After opening it, we have to insert the picture we wanted to make it into the PDF. As we all know that to insert a picture, we have to first go to insert, then in pictures. I will take this one as my picture. You can take anyone as your wish. Then the last step is to open the file, clicking on save as and giving it a name like an icon, and over here we have to click it over here, and over here you will see that an option comes of PDF. On clicking it and on saving it, this will be saved. To confirm that this is saved, we have to first go to the computer, and over here in documents we have to click it, and you will find an icon written over here. On clicking it, you will find the picture we inserted in the Word has been converted into PDF. By doing this, you can make any of the picture into PDF. You do not need any of the browser, and in the computer itself you have made an amazing PDF. If you like this video, then please like and subscribe. Thank you.